Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Thank you so much for joining me for a card tutorial. Today I'm actually trying to do a very quick birthday card for someone, and I received a request to get, to see if we can get this done. So I'm going to go ahead and just share with you what I have, what's in front of me. So I'd like to say hi to all of my subscribers and to those of you who drop by. I truly appreciate your presence and your support. So without further ado, this is of course a picture of the birthday person. Basically it was a picture. I used Canva. I isolated removed the background, and so I could get just a picture of the birthday person. I also used I used my Cricut to get this little flower out here. That was a free flower, and of course, I kind of colored it, and I used satin paper to get this, little green thingy dingy. Then I had her name cut out again with the Cricut with some gold satin paper. Okay. And then this was a background that I had, I did some time ago. It's white, but I wanted to do a little bit of texture. So I got a little embossing on there as well, so that we can have, a little texture to the card. And let's see, I also used a gel pen, to get the around the edges of those die cutted pieces, and I will be mounting it on um, a 4¼ by 5½ cardstock paper. Now, I just realized I ran into a little bit of difficulty because technically what is happening is my finger got a little ink right here. So I'm going to have to take care of that. And if you notice, there's a whole bunch of ink there, but hopefully the, sticking the stuff on would actually eliminate that. So just be mindful when you're doing cards, be very careful. So I'm going to start off by going ahead and adhering this to the front. Yeah, that's the thing about, using black and stuff like that. If you're not careful, you're going to be all over the place, having all that color. So right now I'm just getting the glue on here so I can get it stuck on making. So I have this on here. I also would recommend, if you have like a tissue, the tissue actually does, help you not have your hand all up in the thing, and get it messed up like I just did. But don't worry, once I've completed the card, all of these little errors will actually not be noticeable. And just as you can see on the edges of the matted piece here, I did use this black distress ink. It's called Black Suit by Tim Holtz. And then yeah, that's pretty much what I did with that. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this part in here. I need some space. I'm going to go ahead and place her in here because there's a reason for that. When I'm ready to do add the rest of the stuff, I want to make sure that I'm adding it, it's not going to block her off or block off anything else. I want everything to show. I may have to redo a piece or two. I'm not sure yet. It just depends. Then I'm going to go ahead and get her name stuck on. Let me see. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead. Before I do that, I'll go ahead and get the birthday stuck on. And yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I have the birthday here, the happy birthday. But what I did was I put the birthday with the mountain squares, and I put the other one without any mountain squares. So it's kind of like a step up, step down, whichever angle you take it from. And now I'm going to go ahead and get the flower stuck. And I have the flower stuck in here. So as you can see, it's right here. I'm going to go ahead and put the name in now. Okay, so there you have the card. It's a very simple card, but again, it's that's her name. Happy birthday. And the last thing I'm going to do to complete the card, which of course I forgot to get out, is just, I don't know, I feel like it's missing something. So I will definitely get that done, and then I will post the final product for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.